the Adobe Comm Day 2019 in Amsterdam. I will guide you through the Framework 2019 release.
I think it's quite helpful for our content creator and also our technical content creator. So it's quite easy to work with it.
Our company is going to do a lot of content marketing soon, and we also have a lot of technical documentation in the back end. So introducing this to the company might be interesting for us.
The RoboHelp session this afternoon was very helpful as well, and also the whole new concepts in the back, the XML-based HTML interface is for me a very big improvement, especially for customers using these kinds of products.
Normally we would use just plain XML and produce online help with that, but since RoboHelp is now XML inside, it's interesting to look into.
I learn so much, I get inspired so much. You get insights, you get answers, it's just a great day.
So when you want to become a writer,